Hey everybody, I'm Randy.
I'm Tina.
And we're the Carolina Pickers, and we're coming back at you with another video to show you what we were able to get on shopgoodwill.com. And we have our lovely assistant here, Lexi. She wanted to be in the video. She propped herself right up here, right when we started this video. And so she says, I'm going to be right here. Don't you, Lexi? Yeah, okay. So we were able to get some great things at shopgoodwill.com. If you haven't seen some of my previous videos about shopgoodwill.com, be sure to look through them and check them out. And also I might add that if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. We really appreciate it. And be sure you click that little bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. The first thing we'll start with is these shoes here. And now our other little doggy, Lucy, is wanting to play ball. We were able to get these shoes, and they're not branded at all. They have no brand on them, so I wasn't sure who made them. But when I got to doing some research with Google Lens, the only thing that popped up was like a print-on-demand shoe. So I'm not sure if these are print-on-demand that somebody created on their own. So it's possible that they're a one-of-a-kind shoe, but they're really, really cool. They're really lightweight. They've got the Ramsey's Ram on them, on the side of them, which is the Tar Heels UNC Chapel Hill, I think, or something, Tar Heels. So they're really nice. They're really lightweight. I think they'd make a good running shoe. I think I picked them up for $2.99, $2.99. So even if they don't sell for much, then at least we'll make a little bit of profit. Next we got a nice jersey here. I got several jerseys. The first one is this one here, which is the Eagles, and this is a big size jersey here. As you can see, it is a Reebok equipment, and I can't find anything wrong with it. So it's a really nice looking jersey. I want to say, I'll put the exact price that I paid for it up here somewhere in the corner, probably up here in the middle of me and Tina. I want to say I paid $4.99 for it, but forgive me if I paid $6.99. But I think it was $4.99 that we paid for that. The next jersey we got is this one here from the Falcons. This is a NFL on-field jersey. I want to say this one is Nike. It is Nike. And folks, this one here looks brand new. I mean, I don't think it's ever been worn. It looks brand spanking new. But again, I want to say $6.99 for this one, but it might have been $4.99. I just can't remember. Then we're able to get this jersey here. And this one here is from the Broncos. And you'll have to forgive me, I do have to look every time because I'm not a huge sports fan, but again, nothing wrong with this one here. This particular jersey here, it is a Reebok equipment jersey, and couldn't find anything wrong with it. And I either paid $4.99 or $6.99 for it. I'll post it again right up here between me and Tina, right here. Then we got this here, and actually this is pretty cool. This is a vintage Jerry Lewis Classic Luxuries vest. It's leather. In fact, it's 100% genuine leather, and it's 100% polyester lining on the inside. There's nothing wrong with this. There's not a mark on it anywhere. Do you remember what I told you I paid for this? I don't remember either. Anyway, I'll put it right here, how much I paid for it. But this has the zippered pockets on it that you can zip up. Fully zippable here. It is kind of like a puffer type vest. But yeah, it's really, really nice. So Jerry Lewis, didn't even know he made vests. And we also got this coat here. This is a Rothko jacket. This thing is super nice. It has inside pockets that zip, an inside pocket here, Has another zippered inside pocket over here. It has zippered outside pockets. It has the stretch on it so that you can get underneath yourself, so you can open it up and be able to get right underneath inside your coat real quick if you need to. It has a zippered pocket on the sleeve. The sleeves are hook and loop, and so you can tighten them down to what you need to tighten them down to. It does have a hook and loop patch here so that you can put different patches on it. It came with the flag, and then the other side also came the same way with a flag that you can zipper it on there. It also has a zippered pocket here as well, and more hook and loop on the bottom down here. And the nice surprise is it has a hood that gets zippered up inside of it, so you can zipper it up inside, or you can unzipper it and pull the hood out and have a complete hood here that you can tighten down both directions. And yeah, so this is a really nice coat. The only flaw we found on it was where's it at? It's right here, and it's just got I don't even know if you'll see this on the camera or not. It's just got a little bit of white spot. In fact, I can't even see it now. It's somewhere. Well, I know it's in here somewhere. Don't you remember seeing it? A little white spot.
It's gone.
It's gone. And it does have like a little, has like a little tear or something. It's not really a tear. It's like just fuzzed up right there. I don't even know what that would even be. But other than that, this thing is in immaculate shape. Really nice jacket. I think we paid $11.99 for this. I think. But anyway, I'll put it right up here, what we paid for it. So that's our haul at shopgoodwill.com. One other thing we forgot to show you was we got this piano as well. We paid $2.99 for it. And
Hi,
pretty
I'm
cool.
Pete the piano. Let's play.
It's pretty cool, actually. So that's one more thing we got as well. If you're not utilizing shopgoodwill.com, you need to. It's an easy way to shop anytime you want to. You do have to bid on the items, but that's not that difficult. And if you're watching the items, then you can bid up and be sure that you win the products each and every time. And I do have videos, if you look at my previous videos, on how I use shopgoodwill.com, and you can see me actually shopping on there. So that being said, that's our Shop Goodwill haul that we got, and so there you go. Listen, we appreciate each and every one of you who's watching this video. You don't know how much that means to us. If you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button, if we gave you some value to this video, it kind of shows YouTube algorithm that we're doing a good job. And once again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell notification so you know when we put out new videos. We try to put out 2 a week. Maybe starting to put out 3 a week, or at least 2 a week in a live, doing 1 live or something like that. So anyway, we appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in once again, and thank you for watching. And until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. You gonna be in the video? Yeah, you gonna be in the video. Oh, we'll let you be in the video. Hey everybody, I'm Randy.
I'm Tina.
Let's try that again.